Hello everyone. In this video, today I am going to talk about my next step in English speaking journey. I have completed my first step in English speaking journey, that is a challenge of 30-day English speaking challenge. Recently, I completed my 30-day English speaking challenge. In that challenge, I have to speak at least 1 minute at any topic. Now, for improving myself, I for but now for improving myself, I did some changes in my English speaking practice challenge. So for this challenge, like day 31 to 60, looks like in this way. Like from today onwards, I take a challenge for 30 days English speaking journey with continue to the previous one, that is a 30 challenge of 30 days. But in this challenge, I don't only speak, I have to improve myself. So for this journey, I selected three topics which I have to improve. First one is I have to speak at least 2 minutes at any topic every day. Now, the second goal is I have to improve my pronunciations. For that, I have to learn how to pronounce any words so that my pronunciation gets cleared. Like in this challenge, I want focus on speaking practice with clearly. And the next goal for this challenge is learn two words every day. Like I have to learn two new words every day so that at the end of month I I have at least 50 to 60 words in my vocabulary list. And the last goal is for this journey is I have to work on my grammatical errors. Like while I am speaking English, I know I do some mistakes, but I don't care in previous challenge. But for this journey, in this challenge, I have to work on my every parts of the speaking practice, like pronunciation, making vocabulary, and grammatical parts also. So my journey should goes in this way. If you want to if you want to practice with me, you can drop a comment. I will reach out to you so that we will both practice with each other. And that's it for today. And I am proud of myself that I completed my 30-day English speaking challenge, and now I continue my journey to 31, 31 to 60-day challenge. Now I am confident if I take this challenge to for improving my English speaking journey, then I will complete it at any cost. No matter what I have to do, but I have to complete my this journey at any cost. So that's it for today. See you guys in next video. Bye bye.